Hey Hope, welcome to class on this Monday, what is the date today? 26, so Monday the 27th. Hope you're doing well, hope you had a nice break from math, and hope you're ready to work hard. There will be a quiz tomorrow, and so make sure you're ready for that. I will give you more information about that during the video. At this time, now I want to talk to you about your Chapter 9 test. I don't want you to panic. I want you to know I totally trust you. If you tell me you turned it in last week, or if your parents did, I believe you. But I went to the school and I checked as late as yesterday on Sunday, and there was an envelope in the box earlier in the week. It said Hope McDonald's Chapter 9 test. But when I opened the envelope, it had the Chapter 8 test in it, not the Chapter 9. Now, your Chapter 8 test, you made a couple mistakes on your proofs, but with your bonus points, you got a 100. So you did great, okay? And we're going to go over that test here in a little bit. But I have not received your Chapter 9 test, so please contact me today if you would, please. Talk to your parents. If they turn it into the school, ask them who they gave it to, okay? So I do not have your Chapter 9 test, so please contact me about that. Incompletes, you have none. And today we're going to go over tomorrow's quiz. There will be a quiz tomorrow. We're going to go over the Chapter 8 test, and we're going to cover 3 lessons today. Here's today's order of events. First of all, I want you to watch a video called Circles. It's about 22 minutes long. Next, work on that assignment, Geometry Track 1, Lesson 10.1 homework, about 20 minutes long. Next, watch a video called Properties of Tangents, about 28 minutes long. Work on this assignment, and I ran out of room here to write the word homework, but you understand it's Geometry Track 1, Lesson 10.2 homework, about 36 minutes long. Next, I want you to watch the video called Central Angles and Arcs, okay? No homework for that lesson. And that's it. Now, please let me know if any upcoming days that you will be missing, all right? Okay, let's take a look at your Chapter 8 test. Now, on your Chapter 8 test, again, a great job, very, very proud of you, but a couple things you need to know. Let's fix that real quick. This was an incorrect reason, and this was an incorrect reason. Now, I'll give you some leniency, okay? But these are pretty far off, okay? You did really well on both proofs, and your strategy was perfect, okay? But look right here, please. You've got angles 7 and 8 being congruent, and that's fine. And then 6 plus 8 is 180, and 5 plus 7 is 180. Then you said 6 is congruent to 5, which is correct. That's what you should put. But the reason is not substitution at all. The reason is this. Listen carefully. If two angles, now listen, these two angles right here. If two angles are supplementary to the same angle or two congruent angles, and look right here, 7 and 8 are congruent. So if two angles, 5 and 6, are supplementary to the same angle or two congruent angles, then these two angles are congruent. So the reason right here should have been, for this right here, the reason should have been, I mean, you were right to put 6 is congruent to 5, that's right. But the reason should have been two angles supplementary to congruent angles. And it's the same thing down here, Hope, too. This is exactly what you needed to put, but your reason right here is wrong, okay? It's the same thing, look. 9 is congruent to 10. Here's 2 and 4. If two angles, 2 and 4, are supplementary to the same angle or two congruent angles, then these two angles are congruent. And that's the reason you should have put here, okay? Other than that, great job on your test. Okay, moving on. Now, let's talk about tomorrow's quiz. Now, I'm going to go over a lot of stuff, so be ready to pause the video a lot. And remember, you have not taken notes on this information yet, so you will not have this. You won't have this in your notes yet, okay? So here we go. Here's what will be on your quiz tomorrow. It's a big quiz. Okay? Sorry. Welcome back to geometry. Okay? It's a big quiz. I want you to know this right here. Definition of a circle, fill in the blanks. Okay? I want you to know, I want you to be able to recognize all 12 of these terms, not a definition, not fill in the blank, but I'm going to have them drawn on a figure, and you're going to have to be able to locate them and tell me where the diameter is, where the secant line is, where the common external tangent is, etc. Okay? So make sure you understand that. And then congruent circles. That will be on your quiz, fill in the blanks. Okay, moving on. You'll be taking notes today on this lesson here, properties of tangents, and Theorem 10.1 will be on your quiz. Theorem 10.2 will be on your quiz. Fill in the blanks. Theorem 10.3 will be on your quiz. Okay? Fill in the blank. And then the last video you're going to watch today is called Central Angles and Arcs. Central angle will be on your quiz. Fill in the blank. Minor arc, major arc, and semicircle. These three definitions will be on your quiz. Fill in the blank. Postulate 21 will be on your quiz. Fill in the blank. And Theorem 10.4 will also be on your quiz. Fill in the blank. And I think that's it. Yes, that's it. Okay? So that'll be from your notes today. And that's it, Hope. Okay? Hope you had a great vacation, a great time at Bible camp. Sorry, but welcome back to reality, okay? Please get to work on your notes and homework. Have a great day today. Contact me if you have any questions, and please contact me about this Chapter 9 test, okay? Let me know what's going on with that. In fact, if you want to know what it looks like, here it is right here. This is the test I'm referring to right here, okay? Similar statement using three triangles, solving for missing parts here, sine, cosine, and tangent. Okay, that's the test right there. All right. Okay, I hope that's it. Contact me if you have any questions.